Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
डेंग्यूचे केशी दिसान दीस पातळत आसात. राजधानी पणजीतूय डेंग्यू, तेवूय बी सांतिनेज सरकारी क्वॉर्टर्सांनी. हळदोणा 12, म्हापशा 10 आणि सांतिनेज सरकारी क्वॉर्टर्सांत 19 केशी. सरकारी आरोग्य केंद्राची जागृताय मोहीम चालूच.
ऑलमोस्ट 7-8 वर्सां वयल्यान उदक लीक जाता हॉलान, नळे फुटलेले आसा आनी कंप्लेन कितले दिले बरोवन PWD येता वयर वता कितें करता खबर ना आनी एवरी इयर उदक लीक जाता आनी सकयल पडटा. त्या वर्साक ते बकेट दवरून कांय फायदो ना जालें, सकयल सगळें लीक जातालें. कितले कंप्लेन केले तरी आसतना ते कांयच करून केलें ना. कांयच जायना म्हणटकच हांव वयर गेलो आनी हे बकेटी धरल्यो. तें उदक वयल्यान पडटा तें बकेटीन कलेक्ट जातालें आनी हांव तें काडटालो एवरी 10 दिसांनी. पूण ह्या दिसांनी हांव बिजी उरलो आनी तें काडपाक विसरलो.
डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान हांव सांगता तांकां ते क्लीन करता, पूण आतां उडय आमी काडटा म्हणसर रोखडेंच हाडून परते घालता. सो थंयच आमी रावून करूंक शकना न्ही.
So it is not only the job of the health people, okay, to control this disease, whatever vector-borne disease, dengue, malaria, whatever. Here is a community participation. But what unique thing we have found is the freezer trays, which are freezers what they have in their houses. No, they got the defrosting tray. Okay, we found the breeding in the trays. The money plant, whatever the plant they keep inside, they have to change the water in that vases every 8 days.
So syntax tanks, the tanks, most of the tanks don't have lids. So if that could be taken care of.
In most of the quarters, there is damage to the roof ceiling and there is lot of leakage of water which is happening. So people keep their various containers to collect this water leakage. And our workers have found time and again we have found bleeding in these containers. So we have informed the AE to take action on a war footing, where our workers just came in the last week and removed all the receptacles from the space just behind the government quarters. But today we have found that there are again all more plastic containers, coconut shells, and overall right from the last month we have almost some 19 cases. In the government quarters, only in the area at government quarters.
हेर कडेन कामा धंद्याक वचपी हळदोणच्या 12 जाणांक डेंग्यूची बाधा, तरी मुळाव्या आरोग्य केंद्रान खंय जतनाय घेतल्या.
So in Aldona also situation is under control, but we have detected some dengue cases. So in the month of August itself, we have detected around 12 cases in our primary health center Aldona only. But only solace is that the patient पळय आमकां मेळ्ळ्या ते चडशे दुसरे एरियेनी, ज्या एरियेनी डेंग्यू आसा, चड केसी आसा त्या एरियेनी ते कामाक वता. सो वॉट वी फील इज तांकां डेंग्यू हांगा जावंक ना. पूण आमच्या एरियेंत लोक जाल्ल्या कारणान आमी ताबडतोब सगळे मेजर्स घेतल्या. त्या एरियेन मागीर आमी रोखडेच फ्युमिगेशन केलां किंवा केमिकल घालप, लोकांक अवेरनेस केल्या.
म्हापशांय डेंग्यूच्यो 10 केशी.
आमच्यो 8 NS1 पॉझिटिव्ह in month of August and 2 IgM confirmed cases now. So 10 cases definitely. Now, as soon as we get the information about the existence of a case, we call up from the number that is given to find out talk to the patient, call in the inmates, the local people, and tell them how it is being spread.
मजगती मडगांव पालिकेन खबरदारी म्हण वखदाची फवारणी केली. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.